Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can compare a string in Bash script. We know there is no built-in function to compare string values in Bash, so we have to follow the other ways to compare the string. Our first example is to use equivalent operator to compare the string. Here two string variables are declared. Here strval1 and strval2, and first it is checking the value of both variables. If this condition is true, then it will print this message, otherwise the strings are not equal. In the similar way, the first variable value is checked by other string value, and it will print message based on the condition. So first of all, I will create the file, copy the code and create the file. cmp1.sh. Okay, now run the code. Here, now you can see the first condition is true. The first condition is false, so it means the strings are not equal. Then the second condition is true, so it means Linux operating system. Now go for the next example. String comparison using not equal. So I will go for the example 3, partial string comparison. In a partial string comparison, the string are matched partially, and to do this you have to use star symbol in both sides of the string. And here the strval variable contains the value Microsoft Internet Explorer. So if I compare the string like this, then it will search internet word in the variable, and if it partially match, then the condition will be true and print partially match, otherwise no match. And in the next part, here you can see the I is in a small letter, but in our string I is in capital letter. So this condition will be false and it will print no match. That means string comparison is case sensitive. So I will check this code. Yeah, the first condition is true and the message is partially matched. Second condition is false for small I, and the output is no match. Now go for the next example. Compare string with input value. That means user will provide the string value and it will be compared by any predefined value. So here the root command is given here to take input from the user, and if the user type this text, then this condition will be false. That means inputs not equal from either, then no record found, otherwise it will print record found. So I will create the file to test the code. First of all, I will type something that takes the no record found. Sorry. Forming the no record found because F is capital in the script. Here you can see record found because this condition was false and it print the message record found. In this way, you can simply compare strings in Bash script. Hope you will try this code. Thank you for watching.